Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of homemade beverages with the Fermentaholics Kombucha Brewing Starter Kit. We found this product online, and we've included the link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability for yourself. So, what exactly is the Fermentaholics Kombucha Brewing Starter Kit? This comprehensive kit is designed for those who want to brew their own delicious kombucha right at home. It includes everything you need to start a 1-gallon batch of this tangy, effervescent drink that has gained immense popularity for its potential health benefits. Let's talk about what's inside this kit. You'll find a kombucha starter culture, also known as a SCOBY, which comes with 12 fluid ounces of mature starter tea. This SCOBY is USDA Certified Organic and Kosher, ensuring that you're getting high-quality ingredients. Alongside that, there's a 1-gallon brew jar made of glass, organic cane sugar, a specially curated tea blend, a reusable cotton tea bag, and an adhesive thermometer to monitor temperature changes during brewing. The kit also comes with pH strips, a pipette for transferring liquids, a cotton cloth cover to allow your kombucha to breathe, a rubber band to secure it, and even a heat mat to ensure the optimal fermentation temperature. Plus, you'll receive detailed instructions and a flavoring guide to help you customize your kombucha to your liking. Now, who is this kit suitable for? Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with a bit of brewing experience, this kit is perfect for anyone looking to explore the world of kombucha brewing. It's a fantastic way to engage with a fun and rewarding hobby. If you love experimenting in the kitchen or are interested in natural health remedies, this kit will be right up your alley. In terms of practical use cases, you can brew a refreshing batch of kombucha to enjoy on a hot day or serve it as a unique, homemade beverage at your next gathering. You can also experiment with different flavors, such as ginger, berry, or citrus, by following the flavoring guide provided. Imagine impressing your friends with your very own craft kombucha that you made from scratch. The glass jar not only allows for easy brewing but also lets you visually track the fermentation process. You can even jot down notes in the brewing notes section printed on the jar, making it easier to perfect your recipe over time. The breathable cover ensures your SCOBY gets the oxygen it needs while keeping unwanted pests out, making the process straightforward and enjoyable. In conclusion, the Fermentaholics Kombucha Brewing Starter Kit is an excellent choice for anyone interested in crafting their own kombucha at home. With its high-quality ingredients and easy-to-follow instructions, you'll be on your way to brewing delicious, fizzy kombucha in no time. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.